Over time, the seats in your TJ can start to look a little rough from normal wear and tear. To prevent more wear on your factory seats and cover up old stains or rips in your seat covers, I'd recommend to check out these fabric seat covers from Rugged Ridge. This set of fitted front seat covers here will add some style and a bit of color to the interior of your 97 to 02 TJ while creating a comfortable ride with soft fabric and a form-fit design. I would like to mention though that these will not fit the 03 to the 06 TJ seats because of different designs in the seats between the years. Installing these though will be a very easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and we'll touch on that in just a moment. These will be soft, and like I mentioned, they'll create a comfortable ride in your Wrangler. These are made out of a durable polycotton material which will protect your factory seats from any sweat, mud, dirt, or any other things that you definitely don't want to stain your stock seats. I would like to mention that these are not water resistant or waterproof because of the material. However, if you are looking for that option, we do offer neoprene options by Rugged Ridge that will be water resistant. These are intended to give a factory look, so they will be soft and flexible, and they'll shape around your seats, making them look like they were always meant to be there. These are also UV treated, and they do not absorb heat from the sun, so they won't fade in the sun while you have your top off, and when you're getting into the Jeep, you don't have to worry about burning the back of your legs. These slip directly over the seats, and they're separated in 2 parts for the best fit. They attach underneath the seat with mounting points with elastic cords, nylon straps, and hooks, so you can ensure that these won't move around or bug you while you're getting in and out of the Jeep or while you're driving. We do also have a couple of other color options like full black as well as black and gray, as well as options for the 03 to 06 TJ, so make sure you get the right ones for your Wrangler. These front seat covers average at the moment around $160, and I think for what these bring to the table that the price is definitely worth it. Compared to other options, these have an excellent fit and a snug design for polycotton fabric. Other less expensive options will be made of similar material, but they won't provide the best fit, and they're more like a full seat protector with a universal fit, so they'll just slip over the seat. If you were looking for those neoprene options, we do have them available for about $100 more. In the long run, if you were looking for a good styling, fit and function at a good price, this option by Rugged Ridge is a good one to take into consideration for your TJ. And as always, Rugged Ridge backs their products by a 5-year limited warranty to keep an extra peace of mind. Install is very simple, as you can assume, guys. All you have to do is slip these over and hook them down, taking a couple of minutes. It gets a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter from me, and we'll pull the Jeep in and show you how to put these on. So before actually installing the seat covers, I would recommend to move the seat forward so you have some room to work with, and folding this top portion down so you can put the seat cover through the crease. So now you're going to install the bottom portion of the seat. So you're going to drape the seat cover over the front here and pull this tab in the back through the crease. So now you're going to shimmy this cutout around the seat adjuster and Velcro on this side as well as the other side. Now you're going to attach the 2 buckles underneath the seat, making sure that you're not interfering with the seat functionality, and then you can pull them tight. Now you're going to install the top portion by slipping it over and tucking this bottom portion through the crease of the seat and Velcroing it in the back. All you have to do is repeat on the other side and you're all set. So if you're looking for some style and protection to your 97-02 TJ's factory seats, Rugged Ridge has your back. This is Meredith with XT, and for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.